Hi, this is Ed from SOS Bookkeeping. 2025 is over. Now it's time to think about getting your books cleaned up and ready so that you can file your taxes. We have a lot of experience of doing that, getting books cleaned up. I was thinking about a client today that we just were helping wrap up things that hadn't filed taxes since his 2021 tax year. And he came to us and with quite a few IRS letters and penalties piling up. So we quickly told him, gave him a list of the things that we were going to need. And of course, that took a little bit of a while for him to gather those, since there were statements were no longer available on his bank website. He had to request them. But quickly as he got them to us, we were able to get those into an accounting system, which, by the way, we took advantage of some offers from some of the accounting software that give 3 months at 50% discount. And got his transactions entered and reconciled and caught up in a matter of about, I think it was 4 or 5 weeks. We had them all caught up: 2022, 2023, 2024, and now we're almost finished with 2025, getting those taxes filed. And now we're preparing the taxes for him for past years. And the process was fairly painless. Of course, he had to gather some information together, and we had to ask him what this was for, that was for, so we can reconcile it properly, make sure that he was accounting for his business expenses. He had personal taxes, one LLC, and one S Corp that we needed to do for him. So there was quite a bit of work to do, able to get that done, get him filed. And within the next couple months, he'll be all caught up, and this will no longer be a headache for him. And it was relatively inexpensive. We can do the same. Just give us a ring if you need some help.